What up? What up? What up? What up, man? Yeah. What up? Mm-hmm. So currently we are at gold sales, and yeah, ready for gold to drop. So I'm currently on a sale. So yeah. So this is the sale that we are in, and this is the potential take profit. So this is the entry. So the entry, stop loss, and the take profit. So this is paper trading. So I don't want anyone to come to me like, oh, you're risking. You don't even have $10,000. That you're risking 10,000. I don't know. Nah, that's not my man. This is paper trading. It's demo. And yeah. So let me show you the reason I took the sell. So if you take gold, let me just let's remove the positions. Okay. So let's come here. So this one is a bearish trend. You feel me? So in the 1 hour time frame, you have a bearish trend. You have the lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, took that area, then liquidity, then drop. So we had this massive drop. So so many people will buy from this, sell from this area because they are, let me say, supply and demand. So this is a supply. I was using supply way before. So this is it. So my strategy mostly it's a liquid concept, yeah. So we'll just wait for liquidity sweep, then take the entry using the inversion fair value gap. Yeah, that's just simple start. So in this scenario, you have this massive drop. So this is what happened. Yeah? So many traders will sell from this area. You feel me? So they will sell from this area. So this one is a trap. So orders will be here. So what the markets will do, the market will come sweep their orders, then drop. So this is it. Yeah. So this is the final take profits. Okay. So the reason I did that, so this is the low. Okay, that was formed. Then we form that low high. So the market will come and take this low. So this is our final take profit. So the reason I'm selling is we're still on a bearish, okay? And if we go to 30 minutes, this is another bearish trend. You feel me? So we can come around this area, I think 15 minutes time frame. So on the 15 minutes time frame, we are very bearish, okay? So we have this low, lower high, lower low, and the lower high, another lower low, then the market form another lower high. So the market opened today with a very big gap. So around how many? Let's just see around how many. So we have this area around, oh, sorry for that. Let's just measure it around, let's say this area to around this area. That's around, we can say around almost 200 pips. Okay, this is gold, 100 pips. So the market will kind of continues to drop. So after the drop, so we have this lower low, lower high, another lower low, lower high. The market respected the supply, but I don't trade on the supply area. So then the market kind of like we can just go to the 5 minutes time frame, and yeah. So based on the 5 minutes time frame, we have this lower low, lower high. This is another lower low, lower high, lower low. So my concept is just simple, okay? So we have this area, so we have this sweep, then the market came and tapped into around this gap. So this gap was not really filled that much, but this is where the market has come and tapped. So I take my entries on the 1 minute inversion fair value gap. So can come around this area. Where is it? Let's see. So on the 1 minute time frame. So the 1 minute time frame, you can see we have a bearish inversion. So this one is an inversion. Let's just put inversion on there. In there, I mean not on there. It's this one is a bearish inversion. Okay, so you have that inversion. So the market swept this area, then just presented the inversion. So this is what I do in inversion. Sometimes it can be respected. As usual, every strategy has its ups and lows. So it can be respected or sometimes be disrespected. So this is what happens. Most of the time, when I mark my areas, I usually take two setups. So this one can be invalid at the same time. So but if it do comes and sweeps this area, I might be looking for the same entry to be selling because I'm certain. we're gonna be selling, not really like certain, but and my analysis are telling me we're gonna be selling. So my final TP gonna be around this area. So this one is just a 1 to 5 RR, and yeah, let's just wait to see what will happen. And yeah, so I'll update you guys what will happen, and yeah, see you. Not that far. If it hit my stop loss, I'll update you. If it goes to my TP, I'll still update you guys. Cheers. See you. Yep.